Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Quntis tree decoration fan system with 8 modes. Oh, that's so beautiful. Underneath your Christmas tree, you can create a so nice atmosphere with this Quntis pack of 4 Christmas tree Fances. And it comes with an LED spots in it. And it comes with 8 modes. It's not only for the Christmas tree, of course. It's a standard, nice LED fans which you can use in the garden, lawn, edging, Palisade, Picket. It's a fans for decoration, wedding, in the garden, shed, path, lawn. It's white. It's made out of plastic. It is durable, and you can extend it. In one set are 4 of these Fances included, but you can make it with a lot of Fances out there. I think it was 25 or something else. This is a big Fans if you like, and they are paired each other with a wire, and then all is nice illuminated by the LED. Because we have here in unique garden fans, this Quntis set has launched a new Christmas fans line with the sounds of daily decoration and a festival atmosphere, which is very innovative. That's right. There are super bright LED beads inside the pointed fans, which is a normal garden fans during the day and emits a warm white light at the night time. This creates a warm and pleasant atmosphere that adds vitality to our lives, of course. And the LED pack comes with 8 lightning modes because it's a string light inclusive. With the split button on the AC power supply controller, we can set the 8 modes: combination, waveform, sequential, slow brightening, flashing, slow fade, twinkle, and glow. And of course, you have feet underneath, so it will stand in position. But also you have spikes included, so you can use it in your garden or in dirt or something else, or sand or so. Then you can spike it into it. Really cool. The Quntis Christmas light here also have memory function. This saves the last selected feature and continue to use the next time we turn it on. And it's for indoor and outdoor. That means IP44 waterproof Picket fans for Christmas trees. The Quntis Christmas tree fans here has an IP44 certification. It's suitable for indoor, underneath the Christmas tree for the holidays, and outdoor for the entire year, of course, if you like. I like it really much. The outer layer of the fans light is made of high-quality PVC plastic, which is non-hygroscopic, non-foaming, and non-rotting. This eliminating valuable time and expensive cost of frequently paintings and beautifying vents allows for long-term of work. Of course, we should avoid the switch in water or rain a long time. But with the IP44 rating, it's possible to get this device outdoor. And it's really easy to install, as you can see in that video here. We need first connect the buckles on both sides of the 2 Fances, and then we connect the male and the female plugs of the light wires to the buckles. After installing multiple Fances, we plugged the AC power supply into the power socket, and then everything will be fine. In addition, the Quntis small fans is equipped with grounding plugs and insulating tapes. It can help us to secure the fans, which makes it convenient and practical. And this garden fans is low voltage safety. with the fans lights are a perfect companion for the Christmas trees. They're simple and beautiful, full of pastoral atmosphere. Not only suitable for various Christmas decorations, but also it's suitable for the garden, for lawn, yards, living rooms, restaurants, hotels, clothing shops, and flower shops too. Weddings and parties. This adding a magical and romantic atmosphere and nice lights into it, as you can see. That's really cool feature with the fans, and on the other side, or the other hand, with the light. And both together brings a really cool night atmosphere underneath the Christmas tree, for example, with it. This is the Quntis pack of 4 for the Christmas tree fans with 8 modes. Really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon, and Merry Christmas.